Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Slither.io. Well, let's get this started. Yeah, I know it's really laggy, but it still works out well. Okay. This is because I'm on a little laptop, because I don't cut nothing. Holy fuck, legs make me so long. Why is it not working? This is so lag. Anyhow, we're not going to play Slither. We're going to play, will you press the button? Okay, here we go. To get channel loading up. Guys, there we go. Okay, when it loads, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so it loaded in, but this is one of the most dumbest things ever. I will say, well, not because I want to be a boy. I don't really care. So, I'm too young to do that crap, but I want to be a boy, so I'm never really going to switch genders. Because, it's like really weird. Come on. There. Okay, that was a bad one. Okay. Okay, see this one now? Would you rather, will you press the button? You know about magic at Hogwarts, but you can't use the magic. Oh, I like to, that would be dumb. You know magic, but you can't use it. You can tell other people the magic and they can do it. So yeah. Then they can give you a spell or something. Yeah, because yeah. Okay, that was a good one. Yeah, like reasonably okay. Okay. Well, you can have sex with anyone you want 5 days a month for the rest of your life. You never be able to masturbate again. Again, this is also like older people crap. But I don't know. Like, it's dumb for the rest of your life. But when I'm older, it'll be different. Maybe, I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna press yeah. Yeah. There, I pressed it. What's happening? Oh, okay. That was a sort of good one, but I would say bad because I like it. Okay, you get to be physically strong, but you are emotionally weak and cry all the time over minor things, which makes you look like a whip. I would press it because I'm really weak right now. So yeah, I would press it. Hey, tell me in the description a best way to make live streams. If you guys want me to make a live stream or anything, that I might do with my friends or something, but it's up to you guys. Okay? Anyway, I'm using a recording software that records your screen, your webcam, and your webcam and screen. But I'm just going to use my screen. If you want, comment down below, because tomorrow will be read your comment day where I read all your comments and answer your questions, okay? About what I'm going to be doing in the future. Anything you want, I'll answer it. Okay? It's all to you. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna end the video here, and hope you have a nice day. Comment down below for next tomorrow, I'll see you later. Goodbye.